Hi, I'm Dr. Yusuf Mathai from Oregon Health DPC. Thank you for joining me today. Today I want to tell you about a treatment that we offer here that helps both men and women overcome incontinence and issues related to prostate cancer surgery, and interestingly enough, we're seeing improvements in sexual health as well. So that treatment modality is the EMsella Chair, which is what you see me sitting on right here. So what is EMsella and why does that matter? So if you know anyone who struggled with bladder leakage, whether it's coughing, laughing, exercise, or as our patients like to call it, the giggle squirts, during any phase of your life, you're really not alone. There's a lot of people who have this issue. Incontinence affects a lot of people, but it really doesn't have to be a permanent issue. And so the EMsella technology, or the EMsella Chair, is a non-invasive in-clinic treatment that uses electromagnetic energy to stimulate the pelvic floor muscles. Essentially think of it as passive but powerful exercises for your muscles that you usually can't target on your own, right? And so for women, especially after childbirth, more importantly after menopause, pelvic floor muscles we can relax. For men, it's usually aging, surgery, or there are other conditions that can lead to that. Like I said, men who've had surgery for prostate cancer therapy, it's a big one. So EMsella helps by contracting and strengthening those muscles, essentially improving bladder control. Now, the benefits we're seeing is, and again, we've noticed some really encouraging results, is many patients report a significant reduction in episodes of leakage. For some, it's almost a complete stop, which is fantastic. The sessions are really comfortable and quick, and there's no downtime. You essentially sit fully clothed and relax while the chair does its thing. So essentially, you'd come into the clinic fully dressed like I am and get your treatment. And because it strengthens muscle tone and improves local blood flow, we're also seeing improvements in sexual function. And so this was a big one. Patients are telling us that they're noticing better sensitivity, improved erectile response in men, and for women, there's greater awareness and strength in the pelvic region, which then contributes to improved sexual satisfaction scores. So again, it's a win-win for both men and women. Now, what to expect during a treatment session? So essentially it works, you arrive at our clinic and you sit on the chair just like this. We turn the chair on, and you actually hear some tapping as the device emits the electromagnetic pulses, which stimulate the thousands of pelvic floor muscles and cause thousands of contractions within the session, more than any that you'd be able to do on your own doing Kegels at a gym. The sessions are usually 4 to 6 sessions, which we space out over about a 2 to 3 week period of time, and each treatment in the office takes about 28 to 30 minutes. There's really no downtime. You walk in, you walk out. And so who is the EMsella for? Well, it's great, like I said, for both men and women who are experiencing any kind of urinary leakage, whether it's stress, urge, or mix. We definitely try it out and see if it works. Works a little bit better with certain types of incontinence. And anyone dealing with weak pelvic floor muscles from things like childbirth, aging, and surgery, and anyone who's hoping to boost sexual function via improved muscle tone and blood circulation. Now again, if left untreated, incontinence can really worsen and lead to secondary issues like localized skin irritation, infections, most certainly lowered quality of life, including sexual side effects. So getting help early definitely matters. And so if you're silently struggling with leakage, noticing changes in your sexual health, or pelvic strength, the EMsella Chair might actually be what you need. And again, we're happy to assess you and figure out if this is right for you and come up with a personalized plan. So please reach out to us, 503-506-8500, to schedule a consultation. If you found this video helpful, click the like and subscribe to our channel and share with anyone who it might benefit. So again, take control. You deserve it. Again, this is Dr. Yusuf Mathai with Oregon Health DPC. Have yourselves a fantastic day, guys. Take care.